My name is Amit Gursale, behavioral assessor, trainer facilitator, visiting faculty in management schools, a life and career coach, someone who's passionate about people and their success. So in my video series on interpersonal skills, today I'm going to talk on a very clear and important topic, which is, do we really care for people? Are we interested in people? So there are 2 points which I'm going to cover. One is, are we interested in people? And second is, are we willing to add value to people? So let's start with the first point. Are we really interested in people? Who they are? What do they say? Why do they say whatever that they say? And most importantly, what are they up to? So if you see, in our regular interactions generally, when we talk to people or interact with people, we are keenly looking at their names, their designations, their educational background, maybe their organizations, and sometimes even their salaries. How many times we are extremely keenly looking at who they are? Maybe very rarely. This reminds me of one of the training programs which I've attended. The first, what the facilitator asked us to do is to create a visiting card. And he mentioned that we are not supposed to write our names, designations, mobile number, email ID, anything which you'll find regularly on a visiting card. What he asked us to write is about us, except what we generally find in visiting card. Let me tell you that experience was mind-boggling. And what was even exciting is the way the entire session went after that. Simply because we were really close to each other. We got to know about each other, all the participants. So that's the first point. Second point is, are we willing to add value to people, to contribute to them during or through our interactions? So let's look at a complete different realm. Now, when one stands at a point or a place where he or she wants to add value to somebody or contribute to somebody with a complete absence of personal agenda, the experience itself is out of the box. Very different. And there are 3 key ingredients to this: authenticity, simplicity, and respect. The moment the personal agenda seeps in, the game will turn upside down and it's all over. Now, I'll share one more instance with you about a great personality from India, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. He was a brand ambassador in the first organization where I worked, and he happened to visit our factory in Kurla. He was asked to give a speech. He started to speak in English in front of the crowd. One of the workers shouted, "Sachin Sahib, Marathi bola." Sachin paused, and the next moment he started to speak very fluently in Marathi. There was a huge round of applause and a cheer for him. He cared for all those workers. He was genuinely interested in them. Post watching my video, I am requesting you to ponder over this, and for next couple of days, observe as much as possible your interactions and check out for how many times you're genuinely interested in people whom you're interacting with. What do they say? Why do they say what they say? How do they behave? And also check out for that the time when you have your personal agenda coming as in background. Look out for your experiences in both the cases. I am telling you, when you do this, I promise you will definitely see magic happening. Thank you so much.